Firstly, I'd like to know how your role has changed at AmaZulu since the arrival of Craig Rossley. We saw under the previous coach you'd play on the wing and sometimes up front. Has the new coach told you exactly what he plans to do with you?
Yeah, the coach has told me that he wants to use me as an out-and-out striker, as the main striker of the team. So that's my role so far, because that's what I do best. Instead of playing as a winger, I'm more comfortable playing as a striker.
And in terms of the transfer window, we saw new players coming in, the likes of Makosonke Pengu and Bongani Ndulula, bringing different strengths to the team. How have you fitted playing alongside with them in the team?
Yeah, they are great guys. Makosonke has played in China, played for Pirates, and Ndulula also played for Pirates. So they bring a lot of experience into the team, which is what we need at the moment. So it's great to have them as part of the team, and it's great for the competition amongst us as strikers.
And looking at the next game against Super Sports, goals are important. We saw you scoring another goal on Wednesday. The coach has spoken about winning at home is what you need to do this time around to make sure you go up. How do you see that as players? Do you see it as motivation?
Yeah, we know against Super Sport we must go for a kill, we must go for a win, because we are playing at home first, and looking at the position in the log table is not good. So we have to try to improve on that and try to win more games at home, or even playing away, because we don't have much of a choice now because we are under pressure.
And as far as Super Sports are concerned, we see them playing to a lot of draws this season. Would you see a draw as a poor result at home?
Yeah, for us it's going to definitely be a poor result if we draw with them at home, because we need full points. There's no other way around, so we just need 3 points.